Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. So do let me know how you feel the readings are, so that I can know how you are understanding the readings and how you are resonating with them. So let's begin today. Today I feel the color is blue. Blue because you need to do a lot of communication of late, or maybe this communication is indicating for the upcoming months targets or projects, or upcoming months work. But communication is the main core today, so the color blue. Also, if you can do the Kuber Mudra today between 6:30 to 8:30 in the evening, manifesting how manifesting how you want your coming month to be, then it is going to be bliss for you. So let's see what is in the cards. Okay, two cards have come out at the same time, so I will just go with these two only. Aradhya is a beautiful magic, and oracle is knowledge. Now that's an amazing card. Before I go into the predictions of the cards, if some of you are planning to get into spirituality, yes, the cards are indicating yes, you should get into spirituality. If some of you have been thinking in mind of attending some course but not sure whether it is going to give you the desired knowledge, whether it's going to give you the desired results, then the cards are indicating that yes, you should go for it and you should learn the course. You will get the knowledge, or you will get the results that you are desiring. So let's go to the reading now. So basically, Aradhya was a witch and she had beautiful gifts actually. So, and when you see she has magic, so somewhere the cards are indicating that work on your personal magic, work on your personal energy, because you can trust your abilities. Moreover, you can plan, you can decide, and you can do the way you want the things to go in your favor, because it just says that the magic is in your hands. If you see here, both the hands has magic, same way the magic is in your hands. You just need to go. And the oracle card says remove the blindfold, or remove the unwanted thinking that it is not possible. Will the coming month be good? Will things be good? Everything is going to be good, because the gods are guiding you, the gods are blessing you with the knowledge and guidance as to what has to be done, so that your coming month will be good. And today also you are able to work as your plan. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead, and I am sure the divine is going to guide you into the right path. Blessed day.